All right, we are back for day number 31. We took two trades. One was not filled. The other one was a small win with a stop loss at break even. So let's dive into the day. I was bullish going into the day. I started watching price action when price was around this area. I went on a 12-hour. I was, there's this fair value gap. So although this is bearish structure, I was bullish internally. So I was thinking like we might go and set up a lower high. Sorry about that. Then we got into the 4-hour and I marked this target just above the daily open. This was my initial target. Then I went into the 1-hour and I refined more my target to this one right here. So this fair value gap right here. So my final targets were these, and we'll get into what these two lines are in a little bit. So the 15-minute, we got this order block, which is these two lines, and actually the reason why I decided to exit a little bit earlier on two contracts and put the stop at break even. Then we got the 5-minute, which was bullish. This is news candle, and the 5-minute was already bullish by the time I was watching, time New York open. I decided to not trade news and wait and remain my bullish bias. Right, so then I avoid all this price action. I decided to start looking for longs after we closed above this. And I went down on the 1-minute, and the 1-minute was pretty bullish. So I decided for this retrace to happen. We got this touch of the fair value gap, and then this touch leads to a break of structure right here. So we closed above that high, and I decided to enter here at the order block. So I've put my stop loss down here and my initial TP here. And this is where things get a little bit messy, I would say. So I entered here, we got a nice run up, then price goes down. Then, we push up, and then once we push this here, right here, I decided to move stops. So I moved stops to around this area, and I was just looking and being very careful because of this 15-minute order block right here that could be a catalyst for a pullback. So I get this, then I get this push, and when I see that this candle just was bought up and then bought down like really, really, really fast, I just decided, there's nothing to lose on selling two contracts here. Since, the 5-minute could still visit this fair value gap and then go up, which ended up happening, but I had a plan for that. So I decided to sell the two contracts here and leave my stop loss at break even. And, I get tagged out at break even plus the profit here, which is about $80. And this was the exact time where candle closed back above, respecting the 5-minute fair value gap. And I was like, okay, if I see a bullish candle close above this, so this is the previous high that led to a new low. If I see a bullish close above this, that means we shifted 1-minute structure. The 5-minute is still bullish. The 15-minute is still bullish. We respected the 5-minute fair value gap. That means we are likely to move up to my 1-hour fair value gap target. So I entered here after that candle close, but I was not fast enough on my orders. So I didn't put the orders fast enough. And as you can see, like the candle just touched this breaker right here and then went to my TP and went down again. So I missed that order. Targets were reached for the day, and I just decided to call it quits for today and come back in tomorrow. So those were the two trades that I took. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 32.